Good morning, students. See here, in the last class about the matrices that is the equality of matrices based on the topic equality of matrices. We have solved many problems, and those problems are important problems which will be with those problems are also important based on the exam point of view. And today ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವಾಸ್ಟ್, ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದ. So those are nothing but the algebra of any, maybe any topic, maybe algebra of vectors, maybe algebra of matrices, algebra of complex numbers, last year you heard. But now this year we are going to learn about the algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices, then first one we have finished, that is equality of matrices. In the last class, based on this we have solved the problems, that is equality of matrices. Now next comes the addition of matrices. Today we are going to deal difference of matrices, that also we are going to deal, and multiplication of matrices by any scalar and the product of two matrices. Matrix naga algebra of matrix naga nam equality of matrices last class na ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Based on equality of the matrices, we have solved the problems also, and that is already finished. And today we are going to deal is nothing but the addition of matrices. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then difference of matrices, how the two matrices are considered and how we subtract the matrices. And one more is multiplication of a matrix by any scalar. Scalar ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದೊಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that we are going to learn it, and the product of two matrices. So these are there. So today just I am going to will deal on the addition and difference of two matrices, and also the multiplication of the matrix by any scalar. Okay. Now comes the addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices. So add matrix ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? Matrix addition of matrix na we have to consider the two matrices. Let A and B be two matrices of same orders, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. and the condition is should have same orders. Then A plus B, we denote it by A plus B. Addition of two matrices are denoted by A plus B. Then if exists then corresponding elements are added. Let A and B be two matrices of same orders. Then A plus B, if exists, adnanne exist ಆಯ್ತಂದಾಗ then the corresponding elements are added. ಎರಡು corresponding elements ಗಳನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Now take the example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2 0 1 and B is equal to 2 1 4 5 5 2 1. So these are the matrices. First matrix A and order is what? 2 rows. How many rows? 2 rows. Columns 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. So 2 into 3. Order is 2 into 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. Then come to this matrix B. Here also how many rows are there? 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 3 columns of the. So what is the condition? Condition ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ they should be of same orders. So A and B are of same orders. Orders are same. Then how we denote them? By A plus B and the corresponding elements are added. Corresponding element is 1 is 1 the other 2 other 2 is 1 3 the corresponding element to the 4. Then come to the that is in the second row. Corresponding element is of the 2 is 5, 0 is 2 and 1 is 1. Okay, these are the what the corresponding elements. Okay, now we see how we are going to add them. Addition exists after that. Then addition is existed because the orders are same. So I write it A plus B is equal to what is A? A out of this matrix 1 2 3 and 2 0 1 and one more is the matrix B. This is the matrix B 2 1 4 5 2 1. Is it? So ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ನಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A plus B ಅಂತ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್. ನಾವು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಟ್ A plus B is equal to corresponding elements of the rows and the columns are added. So 1 plus 2 then 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 then 3 plus 4 3 plus 4. Corresponding elements for 1 plus E matrix in first row element, E matrix in first row element, E matrix in second row element we have added. Now come to the second row 2 and 5 2 plus 5 0 plus 2 0 plus 2 1 plus 1 1 plus 1. Now we have added the corresponding elements row wise in both cases. Now A plus B is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, this is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, 0 plus 2 is 2 and order is again order same order na form ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is 2 cross 3, 2 rows 3 columns. So this is about the addition of the two matrices. Okay. Now next comes the subtraction of two matrices. Subtraction of two matrices. Again, what happens? Let A and B be two matrices of same orders denoted by A minus B A minus B. Then corresponding elements are subtracted. Corresponding elements are subtracted. Example, A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, minus 1. B is equal to, that is 1, 3, 2, and this is 3, 1, 0. 1, 0. What are the orders? Again we are going to check. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ A minus B, denoted by A minus B. Then corresponding elements are subtracted. So again the order is 2 cross 3. Again the order is 2 cross 3. Hence that is the difference or the subtraction exists. It is going to be existed. So A minus B is equal to A minus B is equal to, first matrix is 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, 1 minus 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 0. 1, 0. Now A minus B is equal to, corresponding elements are subtracted. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2. Now in the second row, 4 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. Is it? Now we'll see. Now A minus B is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, subtract ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1. So we have got, and this is also 2 cross 3 of order 2 cross 3. So we have got this order. Addition and subtraction is having the same, that is the corresponding elements in the addition are added, corresponding elements in the subtraction are subtracted, but they should be of the same order. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫರ್ದರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್. Multiplication of a matrix by any scalar. Now what is it? We'll check it. Let A be any matrix. Let A be any matrix of order m cross n, of order m cross n. Then k be any scalar. Then a multiplication of a matrix by a scalar is k into a ಅಂದಾಗ try to listen. Let A be any matrix. A ಅನ್ನು any matrix ಇರ್ತದೆ. Order of m cross n. Order is m cross n. Then k be any scalar. Then the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar is k. Means every element of a matrix A is multiplied by scalar. That scalar may be any real number. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು real number ಇರಬಹುದು. Then it is multiplied by the every element of the k. Now take an example, then you will come to know. Example, A is equal to 1 2 0 3 1 4 1 2 1. So this is a matrix. Okay, that may be any order, but here the order is 3 cross 3. Find 2a. ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2 into a means every element of matrix A is multiplied by the scalar ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ scalar is 2. Okay, now see how I multiply it. 2a is equal to 2 into matrix A 1 2 0 3 1 4 1 2 1. Now every element ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 2a is equal to 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8, and 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 1 is 2. So this is a multiplication of a matrix A with a scalar that is 2. Means every element ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So such type of multiplication we say multiplication of a matrix by any scalar. Okay, so this is the about the algebra of matrices, where we have discussed the addition, where we have discussed the subtraction, and we have discussed about the multiplication of a matrix by any scalar. So few examples we are going to deal. Examples ಗಳನ್ನು ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We'll see what are those. First example, 3 matrices are given and we have to find a plus b, a minus b, and 3a minus c. We'll see. Given a is equal to 2 4 3 2, b is equal to 1 3 and minus 2 5, c is equal to minus 2 5 3 4. So first we'll find a plus b. First one is a plus b. A plus b is equal to, what is matrix A? Here only it is matrix A 2 4 3 2 plus b is 1 3 minus 2 5. So this is given. So orders are same, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. We can add that. A plus B is equal to corresponding element 2 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 3 minus 2, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5. So corresponding elements we have added. We'll see. A plus B is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 7, 3 is 7, plus minus is minus. 3 plus minus 2 andaga, plus minus is minus. 3 minus 2, and this one is nothing but 1. So I have to write 1, 2 plus this is 7. So this is what? A plus B. If now A ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿವಿ A plus B. Okay? ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು? A minus B ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. Next is A minus B. A minus B. So A minus B is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2, minus ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ minus sign ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, plus ಇದ್ದಾಗ plus. So what is that? 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Okay, now comes A minus B is equal to corresponding elements. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 minus of minus 2, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5. Okay. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now in this one you see 3 minus of minus 2. 3 you are knowing minus will become plus. So 3 plus 2 is how much it is? 5. So I have to write here 5. And this is 2 minus 5 is again plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5 is minus. Greater number sign is minus. So 5 9 2 ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? minus 3. Minus 3. Is it? Because that is greater number sign is which one? Minus. So I write here it as minus 3. And this is what? This is about the subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 because plus minus is minus. Greater number ಯಾವುದು? Plus the 4 9 3 ಅನ್ನು ಕಳೆದಾಗ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 minus of minus I have explained. Minus of minus will become plus. And 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. So we have wrote it. Again, here also 2 minus 5. This is 2 plus 2 minus 5 is minus only. Greater number sign is minus. So we will get 5 and 2 ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. But greater number sign ಯಾವುದು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay. So in this way we have solved the problem that is of A minus B. Now come to the next one. Next comes 3A minus C. 3A minus C. First we have to find 3A. We have to find 3A. So 3 into A, multiplication of that is nothing but A with what? Any scalar. Which scalar it is there? That is. So first 3 into A is given. What is A? 2, 4, 3, 2. 3A is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 2 is 6. Is it? So 3A is 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. So this is 3A. So 3A minus C and consider madhukumada. So 3A minus C. What is 3A? Already it is there. 6, 12, 9, 6. What is C? C is given. C already C is there. minus 2, 5, 3, 4. So 3a minus c is equal to, again the corresponding elements are subtracted. 6 minus of minus 2, then 12 minus 5, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Okay. Now, three a minus c is equal to 6 minus 2. Minus of minus 6 minus of minus 6 will become plus, and this is how much it is, 8. So I have to write here 12 minus 5 is 7. Now 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Corresponding. First 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ matrix A ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 3. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು 6, 12, 9, 6 ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A ಗೆ 3 ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 4 is 12, 3 into that is nothing but 3 is 9, 3 into 2 is 6. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು 3a. Minus c, c is already there, minus 2, 5, 3, 4. ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 3a minus c is corresponding element 6 minus of minus 2, then 12 minus 5, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4. So minus of minus in actually plus. Just now I explained it. Minus minus become plus. 6 plus 2 is 8. So how much we have got? 8. Then 12 minus 5 is 7. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 6 minus 4 is how much it is? 2. Okay. And in this way we have solved this 3a minus c. Now we will go for this one. Next example. A B minus B A plus A B B sorry, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನಾಗ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ of the same order, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So we'll add them. A plus A, B plus A, sorry, B plus B, minus B plus B, minus B plus B, then A plus A. This is equal to A plus A, like terms, it becomes 2A. The next one is B plus P, 2B. Minus B plus B is 0. And this one is A plus A is 2A. Corresponding elements can add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. What we have got? A plus A we have added, we have got 2A. B plus B we have added 2B, minus B plus B is 0, A plus A is 2A. Okay, so this was about this one. Now come to the next one. Innocent summary. A square B square, B square plus C square, A square plus C square, then next comes A square plus B square. one more matrix 2AB 2BC minus 2AC then minus 2AB minus 2AB. You add matrices and orders are same, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. We can add that. So I am going to add it. Corresponding elements a square plus b square corresponding element are the 2AB. So I have to add a square plus b square plus 2AB. Now come to this one. Corresponding element of b square plus c square is 2BC. b square plus c square plus 2BC. Now next a square plus c square corresponding element is minus 2AC. a square plus c square minus 2AC. a square plus b square corresponding element is minus 2AB. a square plus b square plus minus is minus 2AB. 2AB whole square. a plus b whole square ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? a plus b whole square. a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2AB plus 2AB. So ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? a plus b its whole square. a plus b its whole square. Now b plus c is whole square. b plus c its whole square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2BC. So in place of this what I have to substitute? b plus c its whole square. b plus c its whole square. Now come to this one. a plus a minus c its whole square. Now a minus c its whole square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2AC minus 2AC. So what I have to replace here? A minus c its whole square. a minus c its whole square. Now in this one a minus b its whole square. a square plus b square minus 2AB minus 2AB. So now I can replace what I have to replace? a minus b its whole square. a minus b its whole square. And this is the answer. This is the answer. Very important problem. Very important problem. Corresponding elements add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus b its whole square, b plus c its whole square, a minus c its whole square, a minus, because we know the identity and according to the identity we have substituted. Okay, now come to the next one. Come to this problem, 3 cross 3 matrix. Minus 1, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, minus 6, 16, 5, plus 12, 8, 3, 7, 0, 2, 6, 5, 4. So these are given. Okay. Now 3 cross 3 order, 3 cross 3 order. See. Either corresponding element 12. 4 corresponding element 7. Minus 6 corresponding element plus 6. Similarly 8 is 8 only. 5 is 0. 16 is 5. 2 is 3, 8 is 2 and 5 is 4. The corresponding elements we have to add them. Minus 1 plus 2 4 plus 7 minus 6 plus 6, 8 plus 8, 5 plus 0, 16 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 5 plus 4. Now, minus 1 plus 2. Plus minus is minus. Greater number sign is plus. So 1. 4 plus 7 is 11. Plus 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 plus 8 is 16. 5 plus 0 is 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 9. So in this one, 3 cross 3 na kuda corresponding elements galna add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ form ಆಗಿದ matrix ಯಾವುದು 3 cross 3 ನೇ. In this way we can solve the additions, subtraction and multiplication by any scalar. Okay, you try to once again you see that is the whatever I have thought, you just see, you go through it, you solve this problem and many more problems we are going to solve based on this one. Okay, thank you students.